Hi, my name is Sam Tyree. I currently work at IBM. I am a senior manager for data science and engineering there, where I have been for 25 years. I earned my undergraduate degree in international affairs at James Madison University. So I decided to pursue my master's degree here at the UVA School of Data Science because I was working in a lot of data intensive transformation projects at IBM over the last 10 to 15 years. And it was when I started working with a team of data scientists there that I realized this was the field that I wanted to really double down on. I was a little bit later in my career when I decided to pursue my master's here at UVA. But it has really helped me be a more effective leader. I currently manage a team of data scientists and engineers at IBM. And having the background and having the education that I got here in the data science program at UVA has helped me to really be able to speak the language of data scientists. Even though I'm not practicing data science on a daily basis myself, it's made me more effective really with both my team and with my stakeholders and executives that we support. What stood out most to me in the program here and what I really took away and has helped me in my career was the foundational knowledge, the foundational understanding of data science, and the way things work, the way you can leverage data science to achieve an outcome, the way, for example, you can use a data visualization, not just to build that data visualization, but how I can use that in a business application to get a desired result. I think also, again, like understanding the foundations of data science and not so much becoming an expert in math or an expert in coding, but really kind of the holistic learning that I got here in the UVA Data Science program has really helped me just to be a more effective leader in the field of data science. It's helped me with both my team and how I interact with them, how I can lead them and direct them, and also how I interact with our stakeholders and our executive team to be able to, explain, help them understand the work that my team does, and really how that translates into business outcomes. The degree prepared me for the job by really getting me closer to the people that I work with. So let me explain that a little bit. The people that I manage in my team are all data scientists who are trained. Some have actually come through this program themselves. And so being able to talk the talk and walk the walk as a data scientist myself has really made me more effective as a leader. It allows me to, when I'm working with my team, we're developing a new product, kind of combining my professional experience, because I had quite a bit of professional experience before I entered the program here, kind of combining that professional experience with what I took away from the data science program, my master's degree, I think has made me more effective and able to help members of my team who don't have that business experience, a very good data scientists, don't have the business experience, gives me a little bit of like a second language to be able to be an effective leader and help communicate with them more clearly. The field of data science is changing rapidly, and there's a huge push now for generative AI in business. We read about it in my job at IBM. I'm living it. We're working on new applications of generative AI. It's very different from a few years ago when we were building machine learning pipelines, predictive models and things like that. I would say today, it's really not just about understanding how the various models and algorithms work. Today, it's about how do you take those AI models and turn them into something that's useful for business or for society or whoever you're building this for. There are LLMs, for example, out there that are very good, but they're just one part of the puzzle. And so it's really assembling all of the different AI components to be able to produce something that has value, that has more than just a cool factor to it. If you're working for a company, the company is expecting to get value out of that, whether it's cost reduction or more efficiency in a particular process or something like that. And so I think for a data scientist today, it is very helpful to understand how a large language model works, for example. But even more important is how do I take that large language model and connect all the different pieces, multiple models, for example, to deliver business outcomes that make a difference. The advice that I would give to somebody who's interested in data science is to not wait, don't delay. Um, for me personally, it was the best professional decision I ever made for a couple of reasons. One, I think it's the most interesting field to be working in today. Two, it is not going away anytime soon. I think it will continue to change and evolve, but the field of data science is going to only become more and more important as artificial intelligence advances. And three, it opens up a whole range of possibilities for folks, entering the workforce for the first time, people who are retooling and maybe, changing the direction of an established career. It is absolutely worthwhile to have this degree. Having a degree in data science will set you apart from other people competing for these jobs. And I think the combination of the master's in data science degree with your undergraduate degree can also position you really well for different types of jobs in different fields.